Hi folks, this is Stacy. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about some stuff that I've been doing. I know I haven't been on much this year. I've been, well, like so many people, I went back to work and I just haven't had the time, and some other things have been going on. Also, I've been having some health challenges of my own. So it doesn't leave a whole lot of energy to devote to the technical aspects of this, which I find very challenging. However, I wanted to share this with you. I've been working on a journal. In February, Carol Tinson, I repeat, Carol Tinson, who has her own channel here on YouTube, she did a Rock Your Journal series for the whole month of February. She did another one in April. They are excellent. So if you get a chance, check them out. So this is my Rock Your Journal, my version. It's not quite done, but I'm working on it. Anyway, I had a couple pages that were really plain, and one of them was this page. This is woven paper, in case you can't tell. And I just didn't have anything in the center. And so I created a stencil, and I'll show you how I did that, and then stenciled that on there. And another paper I did, this one, the whole idea was a large idea. So I, again, used my stencils and put it on the back. And then I also took tissue paper because I needed a lot of room to write. And this has a pull out. But I also stenciled my paper, the tissue paper. Now, this method of folding the tissue paper like this and putting a little pocket here so you can pull it out, I learned that from another artist. Her name is Janet Takahashi. If you ever get a chance to take a class from this woman, I don't care what kind of class it is, take it. You won't regret it. She's awesome. Anyway, back to what I wanted to talk about. Sorry about that. Everything's kind of tight around here. I made my stencil out of cardboard. Now you know what I eat for breakfast. This is really thin cardboard. There's not a whole lot of depth to it. I used BIGZ dies. That's what I used to create my stencil with. And so I ran it through. This is one that I ran through. And here's my stencils. Okay, now you could use these like a reverse stencil and all that. Don't throw these away. You can use them. Obviously, they're colorful. They're beautiful as they are. Or you can paint them and stick them in a journal or another piece of artwork. I have some other stencils that I used. And basically what I did, I better get those out of the way, is I took these, and this is what I used in my journal. And if you don't like that side, you could always use this side to create more interest. And I'm going to I have a little piece of tissue paper here. I'm going to show you how I did that little, I'm going to put this down so you can see it. And what I did is I just take my stencil, just lay it however you want to lay it. I have these little mini distress inks. This one is Mowed Lawn, which is a very nice green. I have these little finger sponges, and you just go boom, 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 like that. I know it's more fun with the music, right? Boom, boom, boom. When I'm working by myself, very often I do sing to myself, or August, I went to Nebraska for a week. There you have it. Okay, now how are we going to fold it up so it'll pull apart like it did? Say we wanted to write a poem or something on here, but we're only going to have this much space to fit it into. You know, something like that. Well, what you do, this is the inside. We're going to flip it over. Fold in half. Okay? Then we're going to take each edge and fold towards the middle. Okay? That makes kind of this W look. Mountain in the middle. That's how I remember valleys on either side. So you've got this. So if we're going to pull it out this way, you're going to have this part be the down. This will be the down part. So it'll have to stay down. And you're going to want to fold it pretty much in thirds. Well, let's see if I can fold it straight. If you got a bone folder, it works great. I don't happen to have one handy right at the moment. And you say, oh my God, why not? Well, because I don't. And then you fold an edge over. I usually kind of glue this edge down. And then, remember, this bottom edge here is going to be glued down. So when you pull it open, it'll go pop like that. And there you have it. Or you could even have it so that remember, you gotta glue it down, but let's just say you're going to have it so it opened up like this. Kind of cool. That was taught to me by Janet Takahashi. She's a fabulous illustrator, watercolorist. She gives workshops and teaches courses on a variety of subjects. You can catch some of her calligraphy courses online. I think she did some for an art studio in California. She's based out of California. Anyway, that was what I wanted to talk about. So check out Carol Tinson's Rock Your Journal. All my materials will be listed in the description, and I will link the other YouTube channel for Carol Tinson, and I will give you information about Janet Takahashi. And that's all I have for now. Upcoming videos will be on my journey to learn copper plate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've been up to, feel free to subscribe and tune in at a later date. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.